Hey gang, and welcome. Today we've got a little bit of a different video. We are going to do an unboxing. Now this is a completely blind unboxing. I honestly do not know what is in here, but I'll tell you a little bit about the background. Going way back, I was involved with the WBFF, the World Beauty Fitness Federation, with Paul and Allison Dillette. You may have heard of who they are. Paul's one of the top bodybuilders in the world back in the 90s. And one of their sponsors at that time was Status Fitness magazine. Rodney Jang is their editor-in-chief. Rodney and I just reconnected online just a couple weeks ago, and I found out that he is involved with a company called BioEdge 100% all-natural supplements. And he asked if I would consider doing a review and perhaps starting an affiliate program. He provided me with a link to the products. I'm going to put that link on the screen for you. So if you want to try the products along with us, we'd be happy to have you on board. And I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing here because Rodney was gracious enough to send me a whole whack of stuff. So let us see what we have got in here. Again, I have no idea what's in here, so we are both gonna be, there's quite a bit of stuff. So first off, we have got a blender bottle, shaker bottle. This is one of the high quality ones. It's good hard plastic, BioEdge insignia. There's a lot of stuff in here. BioEdge Natural Performance Pre-Workout. This is raspberry lemonade flavor. It sounds delicious. It says all natural, no compromising BioEdge Sciences dedicated to supporting your health, fitness, and performance goals. Let me have a look at the label here. Performance blend, all the things that you'd expect to find in a good pre-workout. Citrulline, beta-alanine, leucine, isoleucine, valine. So you've got your essential amino acids. It looks like you have nootropic products for brain focus and energy. Mushroom natural complex, L-carnitine. I'm excited to give this one a try. BioEdge pre-workout. We've got BioEdge Fat Burner Pink Lemonade flavor. Now I'm interested to see what they put in the fat burners. They're typically stimulant based, so let's see what is in this one. Old guy eyesight. We've got some magnesium, sodium, so it's part of your electrolyte structure, potassium, fat burning blend, L-carnitine, we'd expect to see that, mobilizes fat from the mitochondria to be utilized more favorably as energy, GBB, cayenne, Garcinia extract, Hoodia, Jiminy sylvestre, caffeine, 100 milligrams, green tea extract. Looks like a very decent fat burner in a powder form. Interested in trying that one as well. We got another fat burner, same product, different flavor. This one's pineapple coconut flavor. I'm actually gonna give that one a try. Although I'm in a bit of a push phase now, weight's going up, but I'm trying to keep the fat low, so you can utilize a fat burner both in, kind of a bulking, recomping phase or a fat burning phase as well. This is a greens complex, natural and organics greens blend in matcha tea flavor. I really like the labeling, but again, it's not just about the labeling, it's about the quality of the product. And Rodney assures me that I'm going to be very pleased with the product. It looks like a very long list of vitamins, minerals, organic greens. Looks like mostly, if not all, organic products, including a detox blend, milk thistle, turmeric, ginger root, along with digestive enzymes. That looks like a really decent product, so I'm excited to try that one as well. BioEdge Greens Complex. And we got, this is the one I'm really excited to try. Protein espresso. Two things that everyone absolutely loves is coffee and protein powder. Iced mocha flavor. And it says 2 scoops. Oh, it's got a bit of a whack of calories, 110 calories. But holy crap, 20 grams of protein, from whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, coffee powder. It's got 120 milligrams of caffeine, so that's pretty much your standard caffeine serving in a decent cup of coffee. MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, cocoa powder, stevia. So it looks like it's naturally sweetened with a healthy fat source and a nice chunk of protein. That would be a good get up and go in the morning. And in this bag, there are 15 servings of iced mocha flavor. Excited to try that one. Because who doesn't like coffee? And it looks like it's got a whole bunch of little single serve products. Okay, so we got some of the pre-workouts in a single serve. Oh, single serve protein espresso. So it looks like they make, now I don't know if they sell these as individual smaller packs or if these are just samplers, but in either event, they just look like samples of the other products. Here's a different flavor pre-workout, blue raspberry. Fat burner comes in a bunch of different flavors as well. Iced tea is this one. Lemon ginger greens complex is that one. Well, there's a gut health product, so this is a different one as well. Interesting what's in this one. Prebiotic blend. Looks like prebiotics, probiotics. This is going to be a good one. A lot of attention is not placed, and it should be placed, on gut health and digestive health. Because if you're not absorbing your food well, you're not utilizing your nutrients well, and you are not getting the benefit that you would be looking for from eating good, proper food. So I'm going to try some of these. I'm going to report back. I'm going to do another video on what are my thoughts as to whether I felt, or found anything using these products. Some of them aren't necessarily what you feel, but it's kind of the absence of maybe what you don't feel. Like greens products, you may get a little bit of additional energy, less fatigue, but overall you should find that you're not getting sick as often and that type of thing. So visit the link on the screen, take advantage of these great supplements from Rodney Jang, BioEdge, Canadian company. Visit them, click on the like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that great YouTube stuff. Thanks for joining us on this unboxing. Look forward to reporting back to you. Thanks again. Bye.